In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the system cannot find the file specified error quickly and easily. So let's start the video. First, go to the search bar and type CMD. Then right click command prompt and select run as administrator. In the command prompt window that opens, type sfc /scan now and press enter. This command will initiate a system file checker scan which detects and repairs any corrupted or missing system files on your computer. Allow the scan to complete as it may take some time to finish. This will surely fix the system cannot find the specified file error. If it doesn't work for you, then run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. To do this, go to the Windows search bar again, type Troubleshoot Settings and select it. In the Troubleshoot Settings, click on Other Troubleshooters. Then find Windows Update and click Run. This built-in tool detects and attempts to repair issues that may be preventing updates or causing missing files. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like the video and don't forget to check out our YouTube shopping recommended products in the video description.